everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my fall Walmart beauty box. I did get this sometime in November. I didn't get to film it before, but I figured, hey, you know what? Better late than never. You guys seem to like my Walmart beauty box unboxings. I don't know how many people actually do them anymore. They are a quarterly box. They are $5. They say the box is free and then you pay for shipping of $5. So anyway, it does come quarterly. They did just do two like specialty boxes and I ordered those. So keep an eye open here. Coming up, there should be two specialty boxes. I actually just got an email here recently that I think it was today or yesterday that said that it was like your last shot to order their specialty boxes. So I'm very curious to see what's in those. They're like more of like a lifestyle type box rather than a beauty box. So they're more than $5. I think they were $10.98. Maybe $12.98, somewhere in that range, $10, $12. So I'm very interested to see what those are like when they get here. So anyway, my winter box also should be coming soon. So you might see this month and you might see my winter box in February. Who knows? I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get into this box. Something fell out. That is the box. The little card fell out. So there's a couple full-size products in here. Holy moly, and I got a paper cut on my finger when I opened the box. Isn't that a nice gift? I hate paper cuts. They stink so much. Okay, so this is the little card. It actually has little pictures. This is a nice card. It has little pictures of everything that's in here. And there are 7 items in here, and I paid $5 for this box. This actually is very interesting. I'm intrigued. So let's go ahead and pull out what I believe to be the full-size box. This is from Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls. I have curls. Curl defining lotion, free from sulfates, salon created, salon approved. And this says, this is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls lotion. Go curly for a natural look this season. This lightweight, non-sticky formula bonds strands to create maximum definition while leaving curls bouncy and soft to the touch. Curious if it is not sealed. It does have a nice scent to it though. It smells almost like lemony. Does it have lemon in it? I just got some on my nose. No, it's got a lot of chemicals in it. So, good times. Apply to the palm of your hands, rub together, and evenly work through wet hair using your fingertips. So, pro tip, gently scrunch and dry naturally or lightly blow dry using a diffuser. I think I will give this a try. I'm very curious. I can never get my curls to look like defined, and I don't know, maybe it's because I'm old and I have dry hair and very thin hair. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, let's keep going. I got a full size in here. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Sorbet. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. This buttery soft, silky smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in fab fall shades. Never sticky and always supple. It stays put and won't feather. You get one of them. It shows 2 different ones. I got the lighter of the 2. The other one looked like it was a darker red. I have some butter glosses. I bought them because Jessica Braun, Jam Beauty 89, Jessica Braun raves about them. So I got a couple of them. They're not bad. They're not necessarily my favorite, but they're not bad. All right. Okay, so I probably just cut the whole section out of here because there are 2 items in here that are on the card that I did not get in the box. Now, I got this box in November. I paid $5 for this. I'm honestly not going to contact them and be like, hey, I didn't get everything. So it looks like there was a mini of Collab Unicorn Dry Shampoo, which I would not have used anyway. And then it looks like there was a Dickinson's Alcohol-Free Gentle Balancing Toner. Does it say that these are all in here? It doesn't really say. Oh, okay. No. It says each box will contain 5 products based on your beauty profile. Box assortments will vary. Okay, so there are 7 items listed, and I only received 5 of them, but that's what I was supposed to get. So I did not get those 2, the dry shampoo and the balancing toner. So, all right. Let's go to the items that I did get. I got this Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Cream. Strength and resilience. I'm going to use a little bit on my hands right now, I think, because my hands are super dry. So it's the Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience. See radiant skin even in cool weather. Formulated with 7 plumping moisturizers, this lotion has 3 vitamins, proteins, and lipids to help replenish skin's texture and moisture. This is not a full size, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and give it a try on my hands, because my hands in the winter are always super dry. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which is fantastic. I don't like it when they have scents to them, so okay. Yeah, no scent. I like that. It feels nice on my hands, so does not feel oily. There is some residue, but let's see how long it takes for that to soak in. Okay, next item is from Bausch & Lomb. It is the Lumify. I probably said that really weird, didn't I? But Bausch & Lomb. Bausch & Lomb? I don't know. This is the Lumify. Maybe it looks like... What is this? I'm very confused. I don't understand. It says it's eye drops, right? Maybe there's like a little teeny tiny dropper inside of here. Is that possible? Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like there's a little tiny dropper like this size inside of here. Okay. Do I have one? I have one of these already somewhere. I'm looking to see if it's on my table here. It's not on my table, so I have it somewhere else, but I actually have like a little dropper. Anyway, this is the Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Reveal Eyes Naturals Beauty with Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops from Bausch & Lomb. Lumify reduces redness in just 1 minute to help eyes look whiter and brighter. So, okay, and then the last item in here is from Found. It is the Clarifying Red Clay Sheet Mask. And it looks like they had 3 different sheet masks. They had this one, and I can't read the other ones because they're way too small. But it says, prep skin for cool temps with natural botanicals known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues while nurturing skin to enhance body and mind. Receive 1. Yeah, so I got the Clarifying Red Clay Sheet Mask. Purifies and refines pores for clearer looking skin. So I'm not upset with this at all. Not at all. I have a sheet mask. I got the lotion. I got the butter gloss. This is the thing that I'm like confused the most about, because I don't know. I don't know. This is the thing I'm most excited about. So this is the Strictly Curls, and I'm kind of excited about the butter gloss too, to be honest with you. This is, I believe, a full size butter gloss. So I don't think they do it. Yeah, this looks like it's a full-size butter gloss. So I'm not upset about the color. I think it'll be just fine on me. So yeah, I'm actually not upset with this at all. I'm actually pretty happy about this. Let me know what you guys think about the $5 box, and stay tuned. The 2 specialty boxes will be coming up as soon as I receive them. I don't know when they're going to ship. I haven't gotten any sort of like shipping information or anything like that. But I'm excited to give them a try. I know that one had a candle in it, which was why I was so intrigued, because I love candles. My husband would be like, really? You really need another candle? Really? Really? Yes, I always need more candles. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not yet and would like to, please go ahead and hit subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And if you have any comments, leave those down below as well. Do you like the Walmart box? Did you get the Walmart box? Let me know if you got any of the products that I did not get. And I think that's about it. If you're not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com, Nimities Boutique. Link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys. Oh, it's not greasy anymore. It's sunk in pretty quickly, so, and it feels nice. Feels nice. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.